Hey guys, welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 383 ransom note. We're told that we're given two strings, ransom note and magazine, and we need to return true if ransom note can be constructed by using the letters from magazine, and false if not. Each letter in magazine can only be used once in ransom note. Okay, so we're given an example of ransom note is A, magazine is B. Well, ransom note can't be constructed by the letters in magazine, so we return false. Same for this example. In this example here, the magazine has A. We can create a ransom note with A and A. Although we don't use the B, we still manage to construct our ransom note, so we return true. And we're given some constraints as well. We're told that ransom note and magazine consists of lowercase English letters. So this is an easy solution, easy question, but also the solution is quite easy, and that's using a hash map to count the characters as well as the corresponding frequencies in a hash map, and then going through our ransom note linearly and iterating through our ransom note and subtracting the count in our hash map, and then returning true or false if we can or cannot construct the ransom note from magazine. So let's create the counter. We'll call it mcount for magazine count, and we'll just set it to a Python counter, and we will put our magazine inside of it. And then we'll say for character in ransom note if the character count is greater than 0, well then we know we can carry on iterating through our ransom note because we have enough so far. So we'll say mcount c minus equals 1. What this will do is, let's say we've got two A's, and we come across an A, we'll subtract one A, so now we'll have only one A left in our mcount. But if we get to a point where the character that we're at, the frequency in our counter is 0, well, we return false because now we know that we can't construct magazine. We can't construct the random note from all the letters in the magazine. And if we finish our for loop without returning false, well then we know that construction is possible, and we simply return true. So now let's run our code. And we pass all the sample test cases. Sum our solution. We pass all 129 test cases in quite an efficient solution. So in terms of time complexity, we're looking at an O of n time complexity because it's a single pass, and space complexity will only be storing the letters of the alphabet, so it will be constant. It'll be O of 1 space complexity. So O of n time complexity and space complexity will be big O of 1. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.